Hey guys, this is your Preet again. Welcome back to our another part 2 video for Listdo theme, Listdo directory theme. Let me show you. As in part 1, we customize the front page and we do some settings on front page. In as I promise you, I will make a part 2 where we will go through step by step for every setting list do options. So let's start the video. Before I start the video, I request please share this video with your friends, like, subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start from the general setting for list do option. In your WordPress, you have to scroll down for list do options and click on general. Let me go down and click on general. We will start from the general setting. So I will go through step by step every setting so you understand very well how and what are the important setting you need in order to run successful your business. Okay, so we start from the preload website. We have on, as I explain about preload website, when someone will visit. Let me open my website into new tab here so I explain well. So when I open, you will see preload like this. This is preloading and this is preloading. This is not showing because we not yet set any preload icon. Let me select any image for preloading. Let me preload this. Let me set my logo here. Let's do what are the changes later on. Let me again open my website into new tab. So okay, now you will see preload like that, our logo here. Or but more if you want to make it like professional, you go to Canva and make a GIF file. Let me go to Canva. So we will set preload, or you can do one thing here, preload icon. Preload icon download. You can download you have a lot of website here where you can download the preload icons, symbols in GIF file. GIF like that. Let me pick any, like let me pick this one and I will download this. Okay, this is preloader. Let me download this first. Yeah, we will download this 16 by 16. Okay, and we will keep it to our home page. Okay, now go back and we will upload that icon here in our WordPress. I keep that icon on my desktop. Let me choose that. Okay, this one here. This is our preload icon. Now I will click on save changes. Now let's try again. Open our website into new tab. They will see preload icon like this. This is not scrolling because we download as PNG, but you have to download in GIF. Let me show you. GIF. That will look more professional. GIF like that. Okay, now I will go to this website loading.io like that. We will download icon with GIF. Let me download this one. Try this now. Yeah, let me try this one or this one. Nah, this looks more nice. Okay, GIF. We need it. GIF. GIF. They required account. Let me go back for search for another website here. This one. These all are ZIF. We need to find ZIF file. Yeah, let's try this. Winter. This looks so nice. Okay, we download this GIF. Perfect. This is GIF. Okay, now go back. I upload that GIF file here. We need GIF. GIF will scroll like that. We need this one. Let me save this one. You can see it's rolling. It's dancing now. Let me open my website into new tab, and now you will see the magic. That will look professional, perfect, like that. It look nice until your website open. That called preload icon. Okay, let's go to show image lazy loading. Yeah, we should enable this in order to lazy loading, fast loading, or for the images on our website. Use reCAPTCHA register form. I will recommend to enable these all. Let's go to header. The header, as I in last video, if you remember, we customized the header 3. Okay, but if you not have any idea yet, you have to watch my part 1. You can find a link in description, or you can directly click here, header builder. In header builder, let me go to header builder option in WordPress. All headers. Click on all headers. You can edit your header with here. Okay, for default you can choose 3 or number 1 header. Sticky header. Yeah, we want sticky header. What it mean? Let me open again my website. We need sticky header. Sticky header mean when we scroll down, our menu will stick on the top. It will keep stick. Let me explain this one. Let me enable this, save. Now I will refresh it. You will see when we scroll down there is no menu upper. Now I refresh, you will see the menu. Like that. Menu stick there. Okay, if you want to disable it, you can simply disable the sticky header. Use separate mobile header for the mobile devices. If you want to make separate header for the mobile, you can make that as well. Otherwise, if we open our website into the mobile device, let me check this out. But I would recommend you must go ahead with same. Let me open this into Elementor, so we will check how our website look like in mobile device. So then we can think about to create a separate header for mobile devices. If everything looks good, then we can keep this one. Now what we will do here, we will choose responsive mode and we will choose the mobile device to check. Yeah, it's look perfect. We don't need any extra header because it's look perfect here. Okay, now let me check. I think this is the header 1. Let me check my header. Which header we have here? Header 3. We will choose header 1. Okay, now we have to refresh here again to bring our header 3 here. Now then we will check in mobile device, because we in last part 1 we customized the header 3 with our logo, everything. You will see the header with the logo. That's our header 3. Let me first here. Okay, let me go to header 1 here. If you choose here header 1, then go to header builder, and you can add it with Elementor, the header one, and you can set your logo. You can check how your header look like in mobile device. This is our, as in last video, this is header one. Yeah, header one. So along with, when you edit your header, you can check how it look like in mobile. Just to go to responsive mode in the downside, and here select mobile, like that. I will recommend, let me open this header number 3. Header number 3 looks perfect for the mobile device and the desktop. Let me check first. If this look perfect, then we will go ahead with this. It look nice in that device. Now let's check in mobile. It look, yeah, it look like what we will do here. A lot of stuff we have here for the mobile phone. What we will do here, simply we will remove some stuff for the mobile phone here. Just click right, left click and delete some stuff here, like that. We will keep our main menu there, like that. And for the admin, we will keep it here. In this side, we will add menu here. For the menu, let me search for menu. We will drop it here somewhere, like that. Main menu and default. Let me choose default. Okay, or you can choose as style in a line, that will show in a line. Here you can just click on pencil icon here, choose your logo here. Simple. That's a simple to choose logo here. Let me choose logo here. Okay, now the background looks blue, dark blue. We can change it. We can click anywhere for the, I'm sorry for that, let me go back. Let me refresh. Okay, let me open mobile. Okay, when you open mobile, just let me make it like this. Okay, now yeah, we really need to remove this stuff, some stuff. Let me remove this one. Search, add listing, we can remove as well. Okay, we have now the logo in the upper area. Choose the logo with the transparent background. This is just for example. Your logo must be in transparent, that look more nice. And now we have logo, we have a menu, and we have a profile. For the logo, let me make our logo in the center. Okay, vertical align middle. Okay, column width, like you can, let me choose 70. Yeah, I must choose 100 here. Okay, horizontal align center. Yeah, we will keep it in center. We will make more space here. Okay, now let me open as desktop here. In the desktop, it look perfect. We have a logo, we have a main menu, and we have admin. In the mobile phone, yeah, when you open in the mobile phone, your logo will be in upper, and in the downside you have a menu, you have a admin. In the logo, let me align the logo very well, center. Yeah, perfect, like that. To make the logo in the center, you have to click this one, the gray button here, on the logo, do not click the pink one, click this gray one. In the gray one you will see the option horizontal align. Keep it into center and you will see your logo will be in center. Now what we will do, we will click this pink pencil icon again and we will go to style and we can adjust our logo like that. Okay, click update. Now we have, when someone will open in the mobile, they will see our center logo. Left side we have the menu and we have admin section. When someone will open in the computer, they will look perfect. It's perfect now. Okay, this is how you can make setting for your header. Okay, now let's go to next option. Mobile logo upload. You can upload your mobile logo here, but if you already if you want same logo, no need to make any changes there. Show login and register. Like earlier I talked about the header, we have this admin. This is login and login option. You will see the admin name, that is a login option. Show login and register. If you want to make off in the mobile phone, this is for the mobile phone, mobile header setting. Okay, and the next we have a show mini cart. As you see this the cart button, let me open into desktop. You will see in the desktop the cart button. Let me check. Yeah, this is cart. You can hide the cart here, hide, or you can show. It will start showing there. Let me open into, actually this is the cart, not menu button. Okay, the cart and the login, admin login. Okay, so if you want to disable the mini cart, or you can enable it, it will start show in the mobile device as well. Okay, okay, now click save changes. Show ad listing button in the mobile device. You can for example, if someone visit from the mobile phone, if they are not yet login, they will not see the ad listing button. They have to register on your website before they add their business on your website. You can choose login user, so mean they have to login. When they login, they will see ad listing button here. After login, you can choose here. Let's go to footer. Let me open website into new tab so I explain very well for the footer. Let me go to footer here, scroll down to the footer. Okay, this is the footer style, and now we will go to footer option and we will choose if we have footer 2, footer 1. Let me try first footer 2, how it look like, and save changes. Now I refresh to the website. We will check footer 2 how it look like. Footer 2, yeah, there is no changes. Now what we will do here, as similar, we went to this header builder option. In the downside you will see footer builder option. Similar, we will go to all footers. Now we will create footer. We have 3 footer here. We will choose footer number 2 and we will add it, footer number 2, add it with Elementor. Keep in mind we choose footer 2. You can choose any footer, just keep in mind, and because later on we will select that footer here. Okay, in the footer we have the menu, like this menu, about us in the upper side, and we have social media buttons, we have copyright, and you want to edit the copyright, just to simply click on this edit heading and provide your business name here, copyright like 2023, your business name, and similar to New York here, click pink icon to edit it. You provide your city here and the phone number. Click on the phone number. When you scroll, when you bring your mouse in every section is editable. Okay, provide your phone number. After you do everything, click update. If you want to remove the any section, like you want to remove the social media buttons, just left click and delete that section, like that. Okay, you can delete any option here. Okay, and choose footer 2 because we just added footer 2. That's all. If you want to add more things here, you can add a lot of stuff here by clicking this options, and you can go to every option. You want to add button, drag your button somewhere here where it draggable. Where it draggable, you will see long pink line, like that. Means this is draggable, that place, like that. Let me drag it here. You can see the button here. Just for example, you can add anything to your footer. Back to top button. Back to top button means, let me refresh my website. When I scroll my website to the down, like that, scroll to the down, you will see this here, this one. This is back to top button. It will bring you on the top with one click, like that. One click, it bring you immediately on the top. That called back to top button. We will enable this one as well. Save changes. Blog section, blog post and archives. Okay, this is for the blog post. Now let me scroll down to any blog here, just to example. Let me click here, any blog here in the tips and article section. Let me pick any blog. This is the blog. Okay, this is the blog. Now we can edit our blog section. If you want to keep in center all the text, if you don't want make any changes, just to leave that. But if you want make some changes, just to do here, select the layout. First, layout means main only. Main only meaning here we have no sidebar in the left or right. We have nothing. This is main. Main means this is the main content in the layout. But if you want to keep the sidebar in the right side, you want to show some stuff here, stuff here in the right side, just to choose main right sidebar. Save changes. Let me show you. Now I will refresh this blog. There is no changes still. Why is that? Let me go back. Let me check this one. Oh, sorry, this is for the blog and post archive. For the blog section, let me show you what it means. Let me find the blog page. We will go to pages. Let me find the blog page. Post page. You will see post page. Let me show you what it means now. Why there are no changes? We have changes in the blog section actually. You can see full width. We have full width in the blog section, where we will see all our blogs. This in menu, you can see the menu blog, where we will scroll all our posts. There are changes. So this is looks full width. We don't want it. It's look not look good. We go back, and now we will disable it. Is full width, we will disable. Now I refresh it to explain you again. I click on blog page. You will see the changes. It look nice now. And now let me, if I choose here means right sidebar, you will also see the sidebar now. I refresh here, you will see the sidebar now. See, there is a sidebar already, like that. Now we have right sidebar, where we will see recent post, all the recent comments, I think this looks good. you must choose the right sidebar or left sidebar, where we can display other stuff as well in the blog sections. Okay, so archive left sidebar, what you want to choose in the left sidebar, because we choose the right sidebar, so we will go to this option, archive right sidebar. We will choose here what you want to choose. You want to display the listings, for example any latest listing you have on, you want to promote someone listing here in the sidebar, you can do as well. For example, let me choose here listing archive sidebar. Okay, let me save changes. Now I refresh it, you will see some listing in the right side. I scroll down, so let me go back, let me choose blog sidebar. I will recommend blog sidebar because this is a blog section, so every every content here, all the blog, we should keep it very similar. Like if we open the blog section, we must have blog section in the sidebar, like recent posts, recent comments, every detail about the blog, because we are in blog section. Okay, display mode, you want to display, I will recommend list. Do not make any changes here, save changes. Okay, now go to single blog. This is the single blog. Single blog means any, when we click any single post, that call single. Like in the single post we have no sidebar, but if you want to display the sidebar also in the blog section, just choose main sidebar again. In the option in the blog section we have option blog and post archive, we just finish. And in the downside we have a blog, that means single page, single blog page, and choose right sidebar also here. Now I refresh, you will see sidebar also in the blog post, like that. This is the single post, people will read here and they will see also recent post in the sidebar. This look perfect, nice. Okay, you want to show social media buttons, social share. For example, someone visit your this post and they will see option to share this post with your friend. I will recommend you must enable this. Show related post, I will also recommend this. And related post, when you scroll down, they all the related post will be here. I will recommend both to enable. Keep it four post. Okay, now you will see it will look more professional. Okay, now I scroll down, I will see the similar post in the downside, along with social media sharing buttons here. Share, people can now share our post. We have enabled the sharing button. Let's go to WooCommerce setting. In the WooCommerce setting, product archives, as similar to blog archive. In the product you want to display the right sidebar in the product. What it mean, let me go to products, let me click on all product. In the WooCommerce I will pick any product here, or what I will do here, I will open my website here, I will click on listing. Let me go to listing section, sorry, let me scroll down. Okay, let me open this listing about restaurant. Or what I will do here, I will go to pages, I will find my shop page, where is the shop page or listing page? Let me find my page here, my listing. Let me check out my listing option. Yeah, these are all our listing here. For the listing setting, we will do in listing general. This is about WooCommerce product, because our business is about listings, not selling physical product. So we will skip this option, WooCommerce option, single product. Okay, we will skip to listing general section, because now the listing is very important, because our website is directory related. So our option we have to display listing businesses, not not products, not physical products or related. These all are service products. So in the listing general, number field, you can set 4 field for reason like country, state and district. Let me choose to 2 field and save changes. Okay, now let me refresh. Okay, let me refresh. Yeah, this is about reason. For example, listing general, let me open any listing here. I will open this, for example, this bar and club. Let me open this. In the bar and club section, we scroll down. Keep scroll down. Let me find this option, number fields, reason, measurement. Yeah, reason we will keep it field 1. This is about reason setting. If you have if you are business in different countries, then people are able to select the country here. They want to see the listing from which country, they can select it here. Let me go to my home page. Let me show you this one. What that mean? That mean is here location. They will able to choose the country as the service they want to see here. And the option here, listing archives, which is very important. Listing archives, we have here half map 1. Choose half map 1. Let me choose half map 2. Save changes. Now let me go to listings. Let me go to listings. Let me go to home page. Scroll down. Okay, now let me visit to any listing here. Let me again click on sport bar and club. I will scroll down here. Okay, you will see here the difference. Half map number 1, half map 2, half map 3, half map 4. Different we have section. I will recommend keep half map number 1. Default display mode is grid. Let me choose to list. Save changes. And now let me go back again to the listing if there are any changes. Yeah, here we have option in the WordPress. You will see option listings. In the listing you will click all listing. Let me open this to new tab. Okay, example. We will do all listing settings here. Let me view this item. Let me now go back, listing archives, show category title. This is about listing archives. When someone will click here in the listings, they will see all type of listing. Like that. We have now all the listing here. The meaning here, this is listing archives. Here we will do it here. For example, the option here, load more button, show load more button, show category title. We will enable category title. Now we will choose grid as well. Let me open this here again, the listings. Let me reload it. So this is listing archives. Okay, the number of field here, let me go back, listing detail. Okay, the more important, we have listing detail section. Listing detail section, that okay, let's categories, this one. In the listing archives, I just talk about layout style, half map number 1. You will see this section, when you will see this section, when you go to, someone will go to the front page of your website, they will scroll down and they will see the categories like restaurant, gym, nightlife, hotels. People will click the categories to see, because if they want to search for any restaurant but they want to search in your area, in own area, they will click restaurant here. Let me explain very well here. Okay, now they choose the restaurant section, but there is no option to choose country, anything. That what I mean, to choose here in the listing general, to choose the country here, 2 field, 3 field, 4 field. Okay, let me choose 4 field here. Okay, in the 4 field, first field I will provide the name country, next field the state, city and the district. You can provide them. They are able to choose the search restaurant according their area, or they can search by radius. Okay, when they will scroll down, they will see similar listings as well. Okay, now let me go back to listing archives. We have grid listing column, 2 column we choose. This is 2 column. One column we have map and one column we have search option. They can search the restaurant as a keyword. They want to search McDonald's, they have to provide the keyword, and the listing will provide you all business related to that keyword. Okay, let me close all those others. Like, okay, how many column? Default sort by, you want to display the new listing first, or older listing first, or highest rating, or random one. You can choose. Example, I just click on the category restaurant, and when they scroll down, they first see the new listing, highest listing. They can choose any. For example, they want to check the new listing, new businesses, they will choose here newest first. They have to choose here. Like very similar here again, they can choose here. This will be in job category section. Show category description. Let me make it enable and I refresh here. Let me refresh here. This they will see category descriptions as well. Let me go to home page. Okay, like they want to pick any particular category. Let me choose this one, nightlife. Let me go back here. Listing. Show load more button and show category title. Category title, this one here. They will see the category, which category they are in. If they want to reset, they can reset the category and they can filter the category again. They want to search hotel, nightlife, restaurant, they can choose anything here. That call here meaning show category title. They will simply see the title, which category they are in here. Okay, let's go to listing detail, which is important section. Listing detail means particular listing, not category. Listing archives, you see listing archive and listing general is about the category, listing categories. And now scroll down, the particular listing, for example this restaurant, farm restaurant, this is farm restaurant, this will be go under listing detail. Transparent header, let me, if I off this transparent header, this is the transparent header. You will not see this transparent header after when you off this transparent header. Let me refresh here. You will not see transparent header. Let me go back. Let me first choose the version number 2 layout style. Let me refresh if we got any changes here. Actually these all sections are, we really need to careful for it. Okay, you can see the version 2 is look more professional. We have the restaurant name here, the reviews in the side, direction, call now, website, and they scroll down, they will see description, everything. It look more nice. Okay, first of all we have these all section are one by one. Description, then we have map, amenities, photos, meaning you want to show map first, drag it to up to the map. This one, this map will be here in the first option. Or you want to display the description first, just drag your description number 1, and then you want to show photos on the number 2, drag your photo to number 2, save changes. Now let me refresh it. They will see the photos and description, which is very important. After description they will see gallery, they will see restaurant images here. But if you want to display the images here or on the first, you can do it. Okay, menu prices, you want to just drag one by one. You want to show first the product, their product. After description, bring your product section to upper. Now let me refresh. They will see their product now, restaurant product. because we did not yet upload any product. But if some restaurant have any upload their own product, they will see here, because we provide them, because we provide functionality to after description to show product, their product, the business product. Menu prices you can bring under the product, videos, hours you can bring to number one, so they will see if the restaurant open or not in the first section. Let me refresh. You will see now hours, they are available, what time, the availability, they will see the availability first, description, then gallery. You can make the alignment according. Listing sidebar, this is the listing sidebar. In the sidebar we have a listing amenities, what they provide, business info. Okay, you can drag this again. For example, we have in the main content we have a description and hours, and you can provide the business info, contact business in the sidebar. When they scroll down, they will also see all the stuff, information or detail about the business. I will recommend to provide, to bring the business info in the first section, and then contact business. Okay, let's save changes. Okay, now let me refresh here. You will see it look nice like that. When someone when open their restaurant, they will see their business info like Google. Okay, this look perfect. Contact business, they can contact them here. This is, you can make changes to the single listing. This is about single listing detail section. Save changes. Okay, now next we have listing filter setting. What is this? Okay, now again I have to go to main page. Okay, let me check this first. Okay, this is about the category. Okay, for example, restaurant category, this is about categories. Open restaurant category. When they will open restaurant category, we have a keyword restaurant, filter type, filter by the location, radius. This is all about here. You don't want to show the region field, you can off it. Or location, if your business is local, you can off the location setting. And the default distance is 50. This one, radius is 50 kilometer. You can set your default radius according you. Show price range field, yeah, the price range field here, they can filter the price, how much your budget you are looking for. Okay, you want to disable, you can disable. Show price slider field, where is the slider field? Filter slider, this is slider. Okay, the price minimum is 0, keep it 0, perfect. So amenities field, this one, filter by feature. Let me scroll down. Amenity field, keep it on. So reason field, yeah, run it, keep it on. Save changes. The distance unit, you can choose kilometer or miles, anything you can choose here. Okay, this is about the category section. As I told you, this is about category array. Here, show category field. This is the category field. Okay, now next we have listing review setting. Okay, the review. This is about the review. This is about single listing. Again, we will go to the single listing now. Scroll down. After the category, this is the single listing. Let me again. Okay, this is about the reviews on particular listing. 3 reviews we have here. The review setting. You want to enable the review. Yeah, you can enable this functionality on your website, but if you don't want to show the review, you can make it off simply. Okay, enable upload images. Once you have get the service, and you will click their option to review section here, this one. That means you will able to upload the image here in the review, and you can rate them. If you like their service, you can even provide the images, but if you don't want to allow them to provide the image in the review, you can make it disable. Enable rating. Yeah, enable it. The review mode is 5-star or 10-star, you can choose it. Okay, enable link review, and enable dislike review, enable love review. This is all about the reviews like that. The like, dislike, love. This is like some people like the review, someone leave the review, their service is nice, they can like it or dislike it. They can click on love. Okay, this is about like, dislike in the review listing review section. Let's listing price setting. Listing price setting, for example, if you are in United States, USA, you can provide the dollar symbol here, currency code US, show symbol after the amount. For example, let me open this restaurant here. Let me go back. Let me scroll down to the front page to the listings. Okay, here, this one, and you will see the prices on every listing here. $40, 85 to 95. This is about to set the prices. I will recommend do not make any changes if you are in like Europe country, other country. You can provide euro symbol here, currency code euro, EU, or show symbol after amount. You can make it enable, it will show the symbol after. But even if you not do anything changes here, still everything looks good. That will be according your country, your address, your payment, that will be auto pick. That will be in the setting here. In the setting, for example, when you setting in your WooCommerce, there will be setting for the payments and the currency you want to sell the service in which country and which currency. You can set everything. Claim setting, you want to enable claim for people, they want to claim, then you can provide the claim title here, or you can off this option if you don't want to provide them claim option. Listing map setting, the map, Google map here. Let me open any service here, nightlife resto bar. Now we will open here the map. Scroll down, this is the map. Now we will do map setting. I will recommend choose Google Map, but if you want to get other service like OpenStreetMap, you can choose as well. For that you will have to provide some setting, but Google Map is good. Okay, and when you scroll down, geocoder current country, geocoder current country, local country, your local country. Okay, First of all, for example, you are selling service in United States, that will, the area will be shown here, United States here. Click Save Changes. User profile section. In the user profile section, okay, now let me open here. This is the user profile. Let me click to user profile. This will be the profile of your business people who create profile, who add the business on your website. Their listing, my listing, they will able to check my listing in their listing, favorite packages, their packages they subscribe to, everything is detailed here. Here, show contact form, they will see the contact form option. Number of listing per page 25, number of bookmark per page. This all about user profile. For example, I am the user, I have upload my business here. This all setting about user profile. Show contact form is enabled. Let me show you here. Let me go to dashboard user. This is my dashboard user, where they will able to see all their listings, how many reviews they have, and they have option here. Let me go back. User profile, yeah, profile background image, show contact form. That's about user, because I am login as an admin, so that's why it's not showing me here. That's about the user. Someone, other people, if they log in, they will see contact, because if they have any problem, issue with the services, they will see here contact us option. That's for the user, not for admin. User profile. User register setting, when they registered on your website. Moderate user, new user, auto approve. You want to auto approve to the new people, if you can here email approve, you can approve them by email. You can firstly check their business, their information, then you can approve them with email. Administrator approve, you can approve from your dashboard WordPress. Approve user page, this plugin let know the location of approve page list to approve user. Short code should be in your page. You should find here approve user page, approve user page. But if you not find this page here, keep scroll down, user approve user page. If you not find what they said here, provide this short code to the page. Now what I will do, I will open pages into new tab, all pages. So now I copy this short code, they have provided the short code here, approve user page. Now I will make approve user page here. Go to pages, you can open the page section into new tab. Let me click on add new. Click on add new, and you will see new page options will be open, where you will provide the title. I will provide the same title, approve user page. Okay, now you will see the plus icon here, add block, and you have to choose search for shortcode, SHO shortcode. Click on that. Here we will write that code. Let me again copy the code, yeah, and provide that code here. Perfect. Now we will publish. We must publish this. Okay, perfect. Now what we will do here, we will refresh here. We need to refresh, then we will see our new page here. Yeah, you will see in the first we have approve user page. Click save changes. Now we have approve user page. This is setting about the email who register new user on our website. They will see email look like this. New user registered their name and the email. Okay, I will recommend do not change anything here. We will go to next option, email templates. Email template, if you want to create new email template, you can provide your own template here. Email template for claimer, email body for claimer, email subject for admin, email body for admin. That's about email templates. If you have that one, you can find out on Google email templates. That's pretty easy. Image sizes. Image sizes already reset, already perfect. You don't need to do any setting here in the sizes. Otherwise, your image will be cropped. Again, do not make any changes. 4 or 4 page. 4 or 4 page is. Let me show you. If user is looking something on our website, for example, if they write wrong URL, let me click any wrong URL here, just for example, they will see 404 page, or error page. This one, it's saying here, oops, that link is broken. Okay, let me show you this one. Title, you can provide any other title here. You can provide anything here like, oh sorry, you visit to wrong URL, please check your URL. You can write your words here in the title section. Even you can provide the image, but the image already showing here is perfect per 4 or 4 page. You don't need to just provide your title here, what you want to write here about the error. Save changes. Custom style is about the fonts. You want to change font of your website. You can change the font. You can play with the fonts. You can, if any font you like, you can set the font here. Heading font, main theme color, you can choose main theme color. Button background color, you can play with it. This is very simple. Social media option, as I explained with you, someone want to share your listing, you want to disable Google Plus, Pinterest, you can disable it here. You can enable other option. If you don't have a Google Plus profile or LinkedIn profile, you can off it. Okay, they will not able to share on Google Plus. Social media, okay, sharing, this is about sharing. Import and export is very important, where I will recommend to export your theme file, because you have done a lot of hard work. You can save your work by export file. Click on export file and save everything. JSON file, this will be JSON file. And if there are any error on your WordPress, and you can simply import your work, import upload file. Okay, that's very simple. Redux option. Okay, so I hope you like this video. In next video we will start creating listings. In part 3 we will go through step by step. We will check all the listing. I will show you how to add listing, how to change categories, everything about listing in part 3. So I really appreciate. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Please share with your friends, like and subscribe my YouTube channel.